Pin curling is really hard. What happens when your hair is longer than your arm though?
See, my hairstyle is easy.
Is it?
Hello and good morning, I'm Morgan Donner and today I am in Boston, which is very, very exciting with a pair of very exciting ladies. Yes. Amidst all of our adventuring around the fantastic city of Boston, have decided that it's time for a rest back at our lovely, lovely B&B, and we're going to do some hair shenanigans. We all have a tendency towards signature looks, which we have all worn. It would be a lot of fun for each of us to try somebody else's hairstyle with no instruction, with no help,
Except for what we see in front of us.
We will each get access to the same tools that the others use to create their hair, things that are part of the hairstyle but you don't necessarily see them, and we are going to take down our hair and give our literal hairpins to the next person over and see if they're able to replicate the look.
Our giant hairspray cans. Shrek.
Y'all with your hairspray and I'm just like,
Powder.
Yeah.
I didn't even use a hairbrush, good luck.
Oh no.
Oh no.
No brush, no comb, huh? All right.
Nope.
Your fingers are your comb.
I might take a picture. Oh yeah, are we allowed to photograph?
Just casually taking pictures of each other.
I would need to see what it looks like underneath that hat.
The secret.
Am I allowed to do
revealed.
that?
I'll get the thread in there. Very Leia on Endor. I love it.
We'll figure it out. Make it work.
Okay, so you got a little curl.
Yes.
How many pins are you held on with?
Oh, it's cute.
Look at the little tuck.
Tuckaroo.
The light is not happy with what I'm doing here.
Being studied. Oh, she's getting the 360 views.
Oh no, I'm gonna have to move my part. I don't like that.
Oh no, mine resolutely refuses to be anything but center parted. This is going to be entertaining.
Why even have it for?
It's gonna take like 9 years.
Where are my pins?
I swear that's not dandruff. It's the hairspray just
Okay.
cracking out.
Okay, there's so much powder in my hair right now, it's disgusting.
Wow! You could never know how long it is.
Oh, my hands are like covered in powder now. Some 18th century realness. I only brought this because I usually use dry shampoo, but I couldn't bring that in my checked luggage, so I was like,
Yeah, the aerosol thing.
guess we're going 18th century now.
Yeah. Here are my tools.
Oh, there's a hair tie in that.
Mm-hmm.
Where's their hair tie?
Mystery.
Is it one of those ones where you tie it in a ponytail and like thread it through? Don't know why I'm asking you that. Guess we'll find out.
I don't know.
Oh my god, I'm so glad I'm not doing yours. Those pins scare me. I could never.
What
figure
are
out how they work.
those? What?
These are hairpins.
How? Do they work like staples?
Okay. Oh, you get 2 pieces of string. I apologize.
Oh, good.
Okay. So, oh wait,
Shall we the queen?
because you're doing mine,
Yep.
There you
I'm
go.
doing
madam.
yours.
You're doing mine.
Yours gets a hat.
Hooray!
Oh,
Wow, nice. Deceivingly simple looking, but I've never
Okay.
used these before.
I think I'm gonna need that mirror because
Yes, that is fair. It'll be fine. What are you?
I know I'm like I want to do the signature Rachel Maksy zoom. It like zooms in on your face.
all around me are familiar. These are like tuning forks. I don't know how to use these.
It's interesting because your part starts in the center, but then it goes to the other side for what mine is.
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It does a little bit of an S curve.
Cool.
S curve. Wait.
Just like the rest of my life.
I need to go the center and then veering kind of to the side.
That's not necessarily intentional.
I feel like the fact that we're changing our parts already is making it so like the hair is like, no.
No.
What are you doing?
Why?
This is not the way my hair goes.
Much hair.
Scottish? This is not the way my... No, I don't know what that was. That was not Scottish.
Oh no, I
Yeah,
have not
no,
done
that
the thing
works.
very well. Oh wait, no, that's right. Yes, because then it goes onto the side of it.
Oh man, pin curling is really hard. With long hair though.
I believe in
You're just gonna be rolling and rolling for a long...
What happens when your hair's longer than your arm though?
Wrap it around your fingers first.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I
So
see.
go like that and then roll.
Although, does that count as giving hints?
No, you heard nothing.
How far back does it go?
You can do it.
Wait, I feel like I want to go the lower ones first.
We go behind the ear. Okay.
Hair holder.
See, my hairstyle is easy. It's nonsense.
Is it?
How do you see what you're doing when your hair's like in front of your face?
Ah, my child. You will see.
Oh, I'm supposed to be powdering at some point.
Yes.
Although my hair started out curly. What is this no brush nonsense? Come on, straighten. Straighten.
Just keep doing that, it'll work. I really hope that your piece of string will not be forever inducted into my hair. Wow. I never thought about doing pin curls on hair that long.
It's not even all gonna, because it's like not even. Oh no.
Oh no.
I'll close my eyes to help me focus.
And you'll just do this.
You can do it. I believe in you.
You'll have good video content if it doesn't work.
The string's in there somewhere.
It's right here.
But it's... Where is it? Oh no.
I feel like that's the theme of this video so far. Oh no.
Oh no. Oh,
Okay,
no.
okay. I have one pin curl.
Woo!
Is it going? Oh no, what's this? No!
Oh no, what's this is another thing. Then.
That's totally how it's supposed to go. Also, Madame, hat.
Yes, hat. Oh,
Hat
I
will
will cover
come-
all of my mistakes with that hat.
Exactly.
I've literally not gotten past dividing and like holding my hair.
Okay. Don't fall out. Stay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, mama.
Okay, I've achieved one poof.
Yay! Oh,
I think mine might be too fluffy.
oh, you do that naturally though. That's like what I aspire towards, but never quite achieve.
Absurd amounts of fluff.
Yes, all of the floof.
I need to
Oh man, this
achieve.
is not going well.
What's that string thing that you wore in like Cat's Cradle on? That's what I feel like I'm doing right now.
Cats and cradle.
And silver spoon, little moon, the man on the moon. Oh no.
Oh no.
That's not Cat Stevens.
I want to give you like tips.
Help!
No, we've decided that's cheating.
You just watched me suffer.
Let's have the fun.
Okay, floof number 2
Oh wait,
is substantially smaller than floof 1. Hopefully this is good.
Sisters, not twins.
What's next? I think the rest just gets twisted together.
oh, side parts are weird.
I should have done like a moving video of your head because I'm like, I want more angles.
Oh, you can see the string in this one. Check it out. I don't think I left myself enough room to tie it at the end though. Oh.
Ooh. I'm going to do more pitting of things on top of my head. That feels right.
When in doubt.
Okay. What the heck are you?
You've definitely done this in a video, haven't you?
What?
These
Pin
curls?
curls?
Yeah, I feel like I've seen that.
Recall your subconscious and all the hair tutorials you've ever seen.
Wait, was your twist to the left or to the right?
Do you like these more than bobby pins?
I do. I will show you how I use them too. Once we're actually
Okay,
done.
once we're not cheating. You have to use like gravity and friction.
I feel like I just look like a 1980s granny, like putting her hair
That's
up in
the vibe.
colors. Okay.
it's the vibe. Oh, your little things look so cute. It looks good with like a lot of hair in them.
Oh yeah, hairspray. Wait, which one's
yours?
yours?
This one. Oh, that's not right. I still got 2 more.
2 more haircuts.
Okay, so now I have to figure out where the frick a hair tie goes in all of this nonsense.
What's happening here? I don't.
Twisty, twisty, twisty. Twisty, twisty, twisty. I suspect yours maybe has more coils than mine. And I'm unsure if that is due to length or if it is because you coiled multiples. I've not used the powder at all. Is that cheating? I feel like it's within the spirit for me to attempt.
That smells good.
The hair floofing material. I shall attempt to use it.
How do you use so few pins? I need 20 more to hide all my flyaways.
Sure, why not? I'll just put this powder in the middle. It'll be fine. And this is definitely how this goes. Yes, all right. Good enough.
Chop chop, used it.
I mean,
Do I just like shove the rest of this back? I feel like I need to like
secure.
Do I like exhibit what's the monstrosity of what's going on back here? Rachel's dying inside.
Very creative.
Stay back there. I need like 20 pens.
Look at your sensor.
Judging me.
Grasshopper.
I guess this just goes to show that like you're not meant to like perfect a hairstyle immediately. It takes practice
For
and
sure.
determination.
Well, especially when it's your signature thing, like for the person whose hairstyle it actually is, it's easy.
Yeah.
But
Okay. Final countdown. I can do this, right? Okay. Let's see. This feels not right. Oh, this is definitely not right.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna put a hat on.
I just put it
The
in.
hat doesn't help with the back though, which is what I'm having trouble with.
No, it does mostly cover the back.
it.
You don't actually see much of it.
Look it.
I feel like a little schoolboy. No, wait, it goes to the side.
That's my vibe.
Oh, wow. That is
Uh-huh.
wind. I'm glad we didn't go outside. I mean, we've been adventuring all day, and we are very...
Exposed.
Oh no, I'm not using all my pins.
This is so cute.
That means
Can I have some?
Oh, it's so cute.
it is very, very cute.
I'm mad at
I like it.
I feel like I'm cheating because mine's like so similar to what I normally do, except with strange equipment that's falling out. I don't know. Honestly, I really do think gravity's just holding these together right now. I don't know how.
The next one
Okay.
is we have to wear it out in this wind now.
I would make one step out the door, and you would never get your hairpins back because they'd fall through the gutter.
We've completed the thing. You are the most absurdly cute thing in the world. I'm a very big fan.
It's true.
I'm a fan too.
Hats are good.
Hats are very good.
Yeah, berets. They
Can I give you?
They suit you.
Can I give you my Mary Poppins hat?
See, the hairstyle works with your outfit too. Oh.
Yay! It would get hat pinned in. No, it doesn't. Okay, more, it has to go like
No.
literally like absurdly on top of your head.
Ta-da!
Unfortunately, I do not have hatted for you.
It's okay.
Wait. I mean, that's a lie, but it wouldn't work with this hairstyle. I wouldn't wear
Yeah,
it.
any hat would kind of cover up the whole point.
What did you think? What did you think of your experience, madame?
I've learned that I need about 50 bobby pins to function in any hairstyle that I do. I don't know how this is still on my head.
I think you did a valiant job.
I got these little alfalfas going on. But, yeah, you'll have to show me how to use these things because I don't think I did it right. She did really good for like the amount of hair that you have.
Yeah, that pin curling from like...
Seriously. Like, these are so cute. They just look like little croissants.
Okay, but like, can you please tell me how the back works?
You kind of did it. I think
Really?
just because
Is
your
it
hair
the ponytail that you like flip through?
So I do the elastic and then make a little bun at the end, and then you kind of flip up and roll up.
Oh,
So
okay.
you pretty much did it. It's just that your hair is a lot longer than mine, so it's a lot of rolling and harder to do. Good job. And the hat looks
Yeah.
adorable.
Yeah, pulls the whole
Right?
look together.
It does.
Cohesion.
All right. What have I done?
What?
Okay, well, I use the powder to give it more like fluff first before I do anything.
Fair enough. I assumed that was the case, but I was like, I'm floofy.
Yeah, you have thick enough hair that it like kind of works on its own. I did get a kick out of you trying to powder your already done hair though.
It's good. Just add it on top.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah, you got these ones back here. Yeah, I just do one up here and then one back here and then I just twist the rest up. For one side, I'll like keep this much hair back and then make this one fluffy and then make this one sort of swoop down a little bit. But that's just like the way that my hair sculpture works.
Hair sculpture.
Or the way that it's like laid out because I can't get anything to like not center part, so that's my like valiant attempt to like make it do something interesting.
Well, I think this was a lot of fun. We learned a lot about each other in the process.
Bonding experience.
I feel like you also have a good Mary Poppins look with the hat.
Yeah,
It works really well on everybody. And it covers your little like floofy spiky bits.
It looks cute, like set back on your head so you can see the little plaits.
Who has flyaways? Not me. Not this girl.
Hide all of your sins with hats. That is the lesson of the day.
That's the lesson.
I think I'm hungry.
Oh yeah.
Working on her wave.
So now that we were all done with our fun little hair shenanigans break, we decided to go ahead and continue with our Boston adventuring. We saw so many really lovely and spooky historical sites led by our fantastic tour guide Rachel. We even saw the Freedom Trail, which, as we all know, is exactly how you find the railroad faction.
Free the sense.
The wind was particularly vicious this weekend, so we stopped inside several times at various places along the way just to take shelter and kind of warm up a bit for our poor little frozen fingers. One of our stops was actually brought to you by today's sponsor, June's Journey. They're launching a big new update to the game and invited us to try it out. So far, the mobile game has primarily been a sort of single-player experience, but now they've added several multiplayer features so that you can enjoy it with your friends. We already created a club together in the Detective Lounge, which is that new multiplayer area, and then we shared a few coffees, both in and out of game.
Cheers.
Well, except for Bernadette.
Morgan Donner, thank you. That's delicious. I prefer tea though.
Then we played a game of Spot the Difference against the June's Journey community managers. Our scores ended up being pretty even, so we decided to play a second round with a new challenge, Time Rush, as a tiebreaker. In this challenge, you must find a set of 3 objects in the scene as quickly as possible, and unlike the regular single-player version, it does not repopulate the object list as you find each single item. You must find all 3 before continuing to the next batch, and there's no hints, guys. This new game mode is really tricky, and our team scores might have reflected that.
One more to go.
As we got into the swing of things, though, our object memory improved, and we just barely made it out on top. To learn more about how we chose our club name, coffee sharing, and the new Spot the Difference challenge, go watch Bernadette's video on historically influenced dress in everyday life, and Rachel's morbid history tour of Boston. Thank you so much to June's Journey for sponsoring this adventure. If you haven't played June's Journey before, it's a really beautifully done 1920s themed hidden object game, and you can download the game for free through the link in the description.
We're tilty. I'm going to ever so slightly adjust.
This is still recording. Should I like... Hello, Morgan.
Welcome, Editing Morgan. How are you? How are you? Enjoy. ASMR.
We're not doing anything.